Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Echo YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can invest in stocks, ETFs and real estate on the Trove investment app. I'll also be showing you how to use every feature on the Trove investment app. So if you're interested in knowing how to invest and make money in stocks, both local and foreign stocks, then you should make sure that you watch this video to the end and learn how you can use this Trove investment app to make money in the stock market. Now, before I go on, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Echo, where we teach you how to make, multiply, and manage money the right way. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I drop new videos. Now, for those that are new to the Trove investment app, it is a platform that allows you to invest in Nigerian stocks, US stocks, real estate, ETFs with as low as $10 or 1,000 naira. Now, if you check here, you can see what is written on the screen. Become a global investor with the tap of a button. Invest in American, Chinese, and Nigerian stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more with as little as 1,000 naira. So you can see that you can even invest with as little as 1,000 naira. So if you're looking for the best app to invest with little amount of money, then Trove is the right one for you. And also, if you don't know what investing in stocks actually means, it means you're investing in various companies, and when these companies grow in value, your money also grows in value too. It is also a way to create passive income for yourself. Anyways, we are going to be creating a free course on investing in the stock market very soon, and it will be available on our YouTube channel for free. So in case you want to watch that, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know when the video is out. Now, to get started on the Trove investment app, the first thing you need to do is to tap the link in the description of this video to register on Trove, or download the app on App Store or Play Store and sign up. Now, in case you don't know how to register on the Trove investment app, or maybe while registering you face any problem, we have a video that will show you the step-by-step guide on how to register on Trove and even verify your account. Now, the link to that video will be in the description of this video below, so make sure you check it out. So once you sign up, the next thing is to log in. So I'm going to log into the Trove investment account right now and show you how to use this app to invest and make money in the stock market. So I've logged into the Trove investment account, and as you can see on the screen, this is how the dashboard looks like. And at the left side of the screen, this is where you see the menu. These are the menu options right here. And at the right side of the screen, this is where you can find the top gainers, that is the stocks that have made more profit in the last 24 hours. And right here, you see the market news. And at the middle of the screen right here, this is where you now see the different sectors you can invest in. So you can invest in stocks made in China, you can invest in stocks in the energy sector, you can invest in stocks that have women in charge, you can invest in dividend stocks. So if you want dividend stocks, you come here. You can invest in Nigerian stocks right here. You can invest in metaverse stocks, remote work stocks, technology stocks, financial services, and so on. So this is basically how the dashboard looks like. So I'm going to be taking you through each of these menu options right here at the left side of the screen, and be showing you what it is all about and how you can use them to your advantage. Now, if you come to the top here, you see that the first thing you see is your portfolio. So this is where you can find your portfolio. So I'm going to tap on it right now. And as you can see here, it's showing you your US portfolio right here. So you can see that this account has $297.88 in the US portfolio. So if you want to see your Nigerian portfolio, you just come right here to this side of the screen at the right side and tap on switch portfolio and change to NG. So you can see that in the Nigerian stock market, this account has 18,550 naira, while in the US stock market, so if you want to change back to the US stock market, this person has $297.88. So your US portfolio contains the US stocks you're investing in, while your NG or Nigerian portfolio contains the Nigerian stocks you are investing in. And if you come down here to where you have investment worth, this is the worth of your investment, or the value of all your investment in the US portfolio. So you have $297.78 right here to show you the number of stocks you're investing in. So right now I'm investing in 9 different stocks, and also if you scroll down, you find the different stocks right here. So these are the different stocks I'm currently investing in. So you can find all of them here. You can tap on view stocks to view all the 9 stocks right here. You can also do the same thing for your Nigerian stocks. Just come here to the right side where you have switch portfolio and switch to NG portfolio. If you switch to NG portfolio, you see all the Nigerian stocks you have in your portfolio. So these are the Nigerian stocks in this portfolio. So this is how you can check your portfolio and check how much you have invested, or this number of stocks you have in your portfolio. Now the next thing is where you have browse assets at the left side of the screen. So I'll tap on browse assets right here. This is where you can search for the different stocks that you want to invest in. So you can see that they are divided into different sections. The first one is for Nigerian stocks. So if you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, you can find them here, or you can just come here to where you have view all Nigerian assets and tap on it. It will show you all the Nigerian stocks on Trove. And also the next one is foreign stocks. So if you want to invest in foreign stocks, you will find them here. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in a particular company. What you can just do is just come here to where you have browse asset at the top and just search for the name of the company. So let's say, for example, the name of the company you want to invest in is Netflix, for example. So you just tap on search for Netflix right here and just come. So this is Netflix right here and tap on it. So right here it's going to show you the price of one Netflix stock. So one Netflix stock is $225.88. And right here is going to show you how the market has done in the last 3 months. If you want to check for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, you can tap here, or even 6 months and 1 year. It's going to show you everything right here. And also right here is going to show you analyst ratings. So this is the rating of different analysts. So 73% are saying you can buy, 16% are saying you can hold, 11% are saying you can sell. And right here you see the earnings growth of the company. So let's now say, for example, you want to invest in Netflix stocks. What you have to do is just come here to where you have buy right here at the top, tap on buy. And as you can see, the market is currently closed, but you can still buy the stocks right now. And then once the market is open, your order will go through. Right here where you have $0.1, it's going to show you how much you have in your wallet. So you must make sure that you have deposited money in your wallet first. We have a video on how to deposit and withdraw your money from the Trove investment app. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So make sure you deposit money first in your wallet. And then right here where you have 0 shares, it's going to be showing you the number of Netflix shares you have already. So if you have bought Netflix shares already, to show you right here and to show you the value in dollars. The next thing is to pick the trade type. So if you tap on this drop down arrow, you see 3 different options. You have pre or post market order, buy market, buy limit. So pre or post market order allows you to trade stocks even when the market is closed. So you can buy or sell your stocks even when the market is closed. It's just a new update on the Trove investment app, which I really like for those that might want to sell or buy stocks when the market is closed. Buy market means that you want to buy at the current price of the stock. That's the meaning of buy market. So you are not setting the price, you are just buying at the current price of the market. While buy limit means that you can set the price at which you want to buy. So you can decide to say, okay, you want to buy when it goes lower or when it goes higher. So whichever option you are picking is your choice. So let's say, for example, you want to pick buy market, which means you want to buy at the current price of the market. Just type out buy market. And right here, you see the price of one Netflix stock, which is $226.25. And the next thing here is how much would you like to invest? So how much would you like to invest? Let's say you want to invest $100. So you put $100 and right here, it will enter the number of shares you'll be getting. So for $100, you'll be getting 0.4 shares of Netflix. So the next thing that you need to do is just tap on continue right here, and then your order will go through once the market is open. Now the watch list is where you can add some of your favorite stocks or stocks that you want to be watching to check from time to time. So if you want to check the stocks under your watch list, you just tap on view or 30 assets. So I have 30 assets under my watch list right now. These are different stocks that I'm currently watching to buy. So you can just check them out right here. So if you want to add your favorite stock to this watch list, just search for them at the top side of the screen right here. So let's say you want to add Netflix. Just tap on Netflix. And then at the top right corner here, you see plus watch list. So if you tap on plus watch list, it will be added to your favorite watch list right here, and tap on done. So it's added to our watch list already. So the next thing is where you see balances right here, where you see balances, just tap on it. So this is where you see your wallet, where you can deposit and withdraw your money. So now when you go to the balances, you see that you have 3 different wallets. You have the Vault balance, you have the NG portfolio cash, and you have the US portfolio cash. Now your Vault balance is just like a neutral balance in your wallet, which you can also use on your card. I'll be talking about the Trove card later. So you can also use it on your card to make payments online, or you can just deposit money there and then transfer to maybe your NG portfolio cash or your US portfolio cash. But the money there is not for investing, it's just like a neutral wallet in your Trove account. Now, the next one is the NG Portfolio Cash Wallet. Now, the money in this wallet is used to invest in Nigerian stocks only. So if you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, you have to deposit money into your NG Portfolio Cash Wallet and invest in Nigerian stocks. The same is also for US Portfolio Cash Wallet. So the money here is only to invest in US stocks. So if you want to invest in US stocks, you deposit money first into your US Portfolio Cash wallet and you invest in US stocks. So once again, if you want to learn how to deposit money or withdraw your money from the Trove investment app, we have a video on that. It will be in the description of this video. I don't want to do that right now so as not to take too much time in this video. Now, the next thing you need to know is your order history. Before I talk about card, let me talk about your order history. Now, if you come under your order history, this is where you can see the different orders you've done in your portfolio. So let's come back to where you have card right here. As you know that a lot of people need to save in dollars right now because of the rate of dollar to naira right now, you can use your Trove account to save in dollars, or you can also use your Trove card to also make payments in dollars, maybe on international websites and platforms outside Nigeria. If you want to make payments on those apps and websites, you can use your Trove card to do that. So if you want to use your card, what you just need to do is deposit money into your card. If you want to deposit money into your card, just come here to where you have deposit right here. And also you can transfer money from your vault balance to your card balance. And if you want to see the details of your card, you tap on get card details right here. That is all you need to do. Now, if you scroll down right here, you see where you have gift stocks. Now, another feature on the Trove investment app is that you can now gift your friends stocks on the Trove investment app, which means that you can give them stocks just like you give gifts or you give money to people. Now, to do that, what you need to do is just tap on where you have gift a stock right here and tap on it. And the next thing, you tap on continue right here and you enter the email address of the person you want to send the stocks to. So once you enter the email address of the person, it will ask you for the name of the stock and the amount of stocks you want to send, and then it will be sent to the person immediately. So if you want to maybe give someone a gift as birthday or any other celebration, you can decide to send stocks to them. So that is another new feature on the Trove app. Another one is where you have free shares. Now, on the Trove investment app, you can invite your friends to get free shares. You can see right here, get up to $50 of either Amazon, Apple, Nike, Google, or Tesla stock for each friend that signs up using your unique referral link. So you can get up to $50 of any of these top stocks in your portfolio when you refer your friends. So for every friend you refer, you get up to $50 worth of free stocks, and the person you are referring will also get up to $50 worth of free stocks in their portfolio. The last feature which I'll be talking about is the Trove University. Now, if you come to the bottom side of the screen right here where you have Trove University, you tap on it. So you can see on the screen there are different things you can learn. There are different courses. You have financial planning, investing basics, investment analysis, investment strategy, mutual funds and ETFs, other investment, portfolio, stocks. So you can learn all of this on the Trove investment app for free. So you can see that these are free courses that can really help you in your investment journey. So if you're a beginner in the stock market or in investing, then you can take some of these courses which will really help you. So this is how you can use the Trove investment app to invest in Nigerian stocks or US stocks, and I've shown you how to use the different features on the app. So let me know which one is your favorite feature, or which one of the features that you love. Is it the dollar card, the gift stocks, or the free shares you get, or the Trove University feature? Let me know in the comment section of this video. And don't forget, if you need a guide on how to register and verify your account on the Trove investment app, there's a step-by-step guide that we have on our YouTube channel. The link to that will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.